The video so people can see how you destroying all my stuff and throwing out me and my son's stuff. Throwing out me and my son's stuff out of the closet. Leave my stuff alone. Okay, so leave my stuff alone. You don't have to throw my stuff out. This ain't no story.
Welcome to
What's Hot, where you get the drop on the spot. It's your boy 876 Reborn, aka Javier.
And I'm Lisi. You can check me out on my channel. It will be in the description, and you can check out his channel as well. All that details will be in the description. Now today we are here to talk about what's
Yes, what hot, yes, me I tell you. And the first topic, a bun. Yes, you hear right, bun. Always hot.
Yes, so we'll be talking about Majah Hype and of course his ex-fiancée who is accused of giving him bun and also physical abuse and also the list is so long.
Yes, it's a long list, but when you go through it, you can understand the to and the from and where and when. So you will see what God.
Yes, so all those asking who's Majah Hype, can you please tell our viewers who this man is?
Yes, alright. Majah Hype, or as some may know him as Majah Hype. He is a Jamaican comedian who goes about doing skits and doing takes on whether the person is from Jamaica, Trinidad, Guyana. He does it all. So he travels around a lot, has shows. So he's well known not only in Jamaica, but all the Caribbean and the US.
And exactly about less than a week ago, Majah Hype went from being popular and loved to the most disliked comedian you can ever know. Now his ex-fiancée came on social media extremely upset, telling the world that she was abused.
No one upset she come and say she get beaten. Yes. Yes.
For most, if not all of the relationship, and she is here to speak her truth.
Own what you did to me. I didn't post a picture of my black eyes and my bruises. You put me in the hospital. I didn't come out and say that. I made a general statement, and this is what I get. You releasing a sex tape of me.
How do you feel about the situation? About physical abuse?
You know, from the man perspective, we see from the video, and because me make sure we know the two sides of the video. Because you know, you have to video the video. You see video in case they go delete the video, you have a video. Yes. So you see Majah or Majah Hype did 85-minute live yesterday. What I tell you. And you can see it. The man hurt. Yes.
Pause. I think that where he went wrong, like he should have just never came on the live crying. I think it kind of threw people off, that whole crying thing. Like he probably should have just came on and just be real and said, look here, I'm upset and whatever, but just save the crying. Because then even if he was being genuine, people probably like just come off as he's being, as a lot of people say, no, he's very narcissistic.
Some people is just so wicked, Kirby. The people is wicked. For y'all to come on here and disrespect me and disrespect my family. And y'all don't know. Y'all have no idea what I've been through. Not even a piece.
If me get bun me off the ball?
No, I don't think it was the bun that made him cry. I think it was the anger from everyone lashing out and calling him woman beater and all of these things. That was painful for him because he's basically saying that he made this girl and we turned against him pretty much.
Alright, we see we definitely saw both sides. We saw his ex-fiancée spoke about the matter, and we saw his video, right? Yes, a whole heap of video, guys. Boy,
A whole lot of videos.
Video, you know? Some video, we have a video, you know? Make sure so you have it. Yes. But we get to the meat of the matter, because this might be a foot-long situation where him end up and find a video and it look like it lick him cheap because the man hurt. And then him have a situation where the girl is saying he went through her phone, he took it from her, went through the phone.
And this is the sex tape, guys, that was released by well, allegedly released by Majah himself.
Blood clot, this no look good.
I mean, he basically released all the videos, so why would he not release that video? There were a lot of men on those pictures and videos.
It's like you need a run national the amount of bun is. But at the time, you want to have a subway sure, because boy, foot long and all these things, everybody like a compass, left, right, center, and go round. Yes.
I don't know, that was I think that's a very toxic situation.
To deal with the young part of things.
I mean, good luck to those two, but we just want to raise awareness of, you know, abuse in relationships to let women know, like, fighting with your man, all of that, not do it. Just be there, talk it. When I used to stay back in school for peace, when I remember Peace Day, talk it out, don't fight it out with the bird. You remember that bird? Come on, somebody in the comments must remember this bird. For Peace Day, talk it out, don't fight it out. It was like this blue bird.
We did have a Peace Day.
Yeah, we have. Nobody remembers Peace Day? Oh my god. Anyway, Peace Day was a thing for me, right, in prep school. And talk it out, don't fight it out. This whole violence thing, and women can be it, you know?
Yes.
Women can be, especially with words. It's equally painful, you know?
Yes, they used to tell us the words can hurt you, but sometimes some word lick you and you
Yeah man, because shall I tell him same old little, oh god.
Oh God, and then the man go say, oh God.
And then him go in her phone and go see babe.
And then boy, the pipings.
God have mercy. That's torment.
It look like it mad him. Touch up yourself. Majah, it's a man, it's a Jamaican. They see your earth regime. We see what part, but we do not think you should have put your hand on her. You understand?
And I don't think him releasing those pictures
If he was
no, I mean the live. I don't think that was something that he should have done. I guess we'll hear if there are any implications for that later on, but I don't agree necessarily with that part of it. But yeah, good luck to you guys and your relationship.
Watch pool bar. Watch man. Watch Rasta. Watch Versace by yourself. Watch lace we got lift up. Watch Rasta. Watch Black Love over yourself. Watch Kiss.
So on to better love, black love,
Yeah.
Rasta love. Yeah, and we're not talking the previous Rasta, because that's a Rasta by himself. We're talking about the spicy Rasta.
No, we're not gonna laugh. Yes.
Congratulations to Spice and Black Love and Black Romance. I'm so happy for her. She deserves this win. Like, I saw her for having a relationship under quiet and then boom! Shock the world.
Well, me shocked. Yeah. I, as a Spice fan, was shocked.
I did not see that. I honestly did not see that.
Like teaser, right now me a people gonna get my locks. Yo,
Not to have the swing.
hello.
Not to have the buzz. Congrats, Spice, you know. Your fans, your Spice fans are rooting for you, rooting for the Black Love, you know. May I look over this or something, probably have to go rewind back again. Yeah, congratulations, Spice, on Black Love. Your fans are rooting for you. I mean, some of your fans, that is.
No, me a root fear, but it's just that my earth. Yes. Me nah go around the corner. Ross, you better take care of my earth. Because out of the blue, I say, yes, me reach age where me can say, alright. Me write my love letter and send me Spice I know. And your boy love of Spice.
No,
God.
Not to the swing there. Not to the swing there.
Natty.
Yeah, man, not to the swing there. So once and
congratulations.
Congratulations.
Not going to be bitter.
We won't be bitter. You know, somebody have to find good Rasta love. You know, it can't be as toxic as them people there. You know? Yeah, man.
Rasta, you now go find a foot long and them thing there. You're safe. Rasta, I tell you. Marley settings, it now work.
Now work.
You're going to get some blocks.
Yeah, man, you have to go check this now work.
Now work.
It now work.
Only corporate Jamaica it work.
If you want to secure the bag, you gotta get the lock.
Talking about securing bag, coffee, securing that bag.
Congratulations to Coffee, who for 2020, so all of us we have been having a terrible year, but Coffee pulled through with how many? H&M,
MasterCard,
Malta,
and
Jordan,
like
so many endorsements in 1 year.
8.5 more year coffee. 8.5.
8, I wear 8, and I like pink.
Yeah.
So yeah, check out Coffee's new H&M clip. It's very controversial, right? But check out her new clip.
Farewell to endless days in sweats, the unmade bed, the unwashed hair. Hello encounters anywhere. Hello to life without regrets. Bring on the night, bring everyone. Come rays of light across the sky. The year is fading, say goodbye. The future world has just begun.
Just want to say congrats, Coffee. You know, equality we say.
Keep making the bread and making Jamaica proud.
Right.
Yes, show them Rasta go far.
Pretty much. Again, Rasta, again.
Why?
What a Ras week.
What a Ras week. Yes.
Well, Jacure, the Cure. Did love Jacure. Jacure and in anytime you need a lover, call on me. Those were the days when I fell in love with Jacure as a young girl, you know? And it's just so disappointing, you know? You got jail, you serve your time, you come back, and you make woman incriminated thing
Boom.
again. Like, when do you learn your lesson? You know what I mean? Check out this clip.
I'm going back more than money. If I'm not fuck her now, I'm going back both of my money from you and her. It's not mushing up in there.
Okay, I don't know how much my ticket was. How much was it?
She has to pay me back too.
We'll both pay you back.
Right now.
That's fine. Your Wi-Fi doesn't work up here. We have to go downstairs.
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go down there to do it.
Can we finish packing this?
Yeah. I've been watching you all morning with a little sneaky movement. Because you like to fuck around men and make problems. I'm watching you in the front of my car and you can't blocking me with a lot of girls that they see you in the car and you're nothing up. Like me and you there. You know this me, you know. I'll make me leave the door and then I'm hey, this one more class that's what I do. First of all, this is for good. Things that's what we put it on good.
You are saying him run up him line bill and he want back him money. Now get the front, bring back the money.
But I mean, not to be on Jacure's side, but woman to stop take man things and take man for idiot. No, the man fly in, pay for plane ticket. Not that that's an excuse, right? Because guys, not because you buy the woman thing means say owner, but you know what you sign up for. One artist say come in a music video, yeah, fly you out, right? Put you up in a nice house, you run up him like this with the AC and all these wonderful things. Right? And take care of you, feed you all that. Oh, you think you're gonna pay for that?
Well, them should at least have in mind, say, them not spend the money, right? Them not spend the money. You get 5-star treatment, AC at your leisure, beach, plus cock blocking, and now the man, the pum pum. It look like, yes, pum pum and get to the Rasta, they will tell you.
I mean, Jackie did say that this happened 7 years ago.
7 years ago? Almost, to be exact. This happened. A friend of mine sent this video to me years ago and tell me that to be careful.
But that sounds like one next hotness, because if we do the maths, if this was 7 years ago, that would mean that these girls would be minors. So
Blood clot, this not look good.
let's not get into that, Jackie. I think you probably have mixed up the dates. Yeah.
Most
So some mix up one, right? But apparently it's something that they normally do.
Wouldn't that not also mean he was married at the time?
I'm gonna tell you that is a next story by itself, right? So let's just hope that, you know, he was confused with the dates, yeah? A lot of people are confusing the dates these days, you know? Some people saying 10 years, some people saying 7 years. I think, you know, the dates, 2020 feel long, you know? Maybe I'm not trying to confuse.
2020 feel like 3 years in a one.
Yeah, so I think that's the issue, you know, people are confusing the dates. So, Jackie, back road. Look how much nice black girl there in Jamaica.
They would have give you free.
Free. I mean, the only issue you probably end up on their dream, but aside from that, use up a black girl and a man. Come on, man. Like, Jackie, man.
Men, overall, honey never feel it. Here? See, honey never feel it.
Yeah, is this from a personal or is this just like
general? We are talking about general.
Oh, okay, you know, just what you have to clear it up, you know, because you seem very passionate while ago when
you have to tell him, say, Annie Jackie never feel it yet.
Alright, put on your eye.
Annie now go run up there like me.
Low pan Jackie, come on, fix up your team. Fix up your team, right? Fix up your team. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to press the like button. May I wait?
Yes, mash it up.
Mash it up. Don't forget to share.
Subscribe. Leave a comment down below.
Yes, pull up the comment section. Spam the comments. And check out my friend's gaming channel. Yeah, tell them about it. Which is
876 Reborn Gaming, trying to be the first gaming channel to hit 1 million.
Yes. And if you're on his channel and you're checking me out, check me out at It's Lizzy. I got the juice. Just come.
You love your belly over this one.
Yes. Right, so like, share, comment, subscribe, do all of the good things. Check us out on the next episode. You're gonna see what's hot.
Yes, on this spot.
What?
Big up King and shit.
Seriously? Me never done. Check us out. Them
have to come check it out.
Alright, so we just don't talk.
Yeah, we don't.
Alright, bye.